much of it as you can. I've let the guitar dry overnight. The next stage is to remove whatever's remaining with sandpaper. So what we're trying to do at this stage is basically sand down to a flat finish. So the pores will then remain filled, but we're not digging into the wood too much and creating new open pores. So what I'd recommend is to start with a 120 grit, work my way up to about a 180, and then finish off with a 220 grit. There's really no need to go much higher than that at this stage. It's also important that you work through the grades of paper, so definitely start for 120, then don't bypass the 180, don't go straight to 220. I've already done a little bit of sanding here, I just want to demonstrate the surface, so I'll just finish that off. Just a little bit more here, the 120. I'm not pressing too hard, I'm really just applying a little more than the weight of my hand at this stage. Hopefully you can see that what we've done is we've removed that thin greyish film, which you can still see up here, and we've exposed a bit of timber, but as you can see, those pores are now filled. Okay, so I've finished with the 120 now, and I'm just working my way up to the 180. So as you can see, there's just a little bit of sawdust coming off now. I'm really, at this stage, just trying to remove the scratch marks left from the 120 grit from the heavy grade paper. And that'll be the same story with the 220 when I sand that next.